This video demonstrates a method for modifying or hiding the cursor in a WinUI application. First, we need to access the protected cursor property. To access the protected property protected cursor from the grid class, you need to create your own class derived from grid that provides public access to this property. Here's how such a class might look. In this new grid class, we've created a public property called input cursor that accesses the protected property protected cursor of the base grid class. Now, by using this class instead of the standard grid, you can access the protected cursor property from outside. Original cursor is a private property of the main window class that stores the original cursor. The new grid pointer entered method is called when the pointer enters the control area of the new grid control. It saves the original cursor, if not already defined, and sets the cursor to be a hand. The new grid pointer exited method is called when the pointer exits the control area of the new grid control. It restores the original cursor if it was saved. The hide cursor button click method is called when the hide cursor button is clicked. It releases resources associated with the current cursor. The show cursor button click method is called when the show cursor button is clicked. It sets the cursor to be a hand.